So stay with
Perfect.
us.
Perfect. So traders, I have already opened the comment section. So in case if you will be having any difficulty, doubt, question, query, of course, feel free to join us there. You can ask any of your doubt, and I have already pasted the link to enter into that contest, to enter into the battle, so that you will be able to get some RFTs. So that is already pasted in the description section, or I will be pasting it in the comment section as well. So you can pick it from wherever you find it suitable. So just give me a quick moment, and both of us, we will be picking one strategy. All you just need to conclude that who will be making maximum profit and how much that will be. Whosoever will be making the correct guess will be getting a $10 RFT. So I have shared the link for that specific Google form, and I have pinned that as well. So you will be able to pick it from either from the description or from the comment section. So Modi ji, which strategy you are going to pick today?
Well, my day is good today, and I today used the strategy which I very much like, RSI. I hope the day was good. Let's see what about the evening.
Nice,
Because
nice.
guys, remember one thing: trading is always very risky thing. So don't be overconfident, please. So days may
True.
be different, morning is different, and afternoon is going to be different, and also the evening is different. So, but we will try to do something. So stay with us.
Perfect, perfect. So, you are going to pick RSI. Let me check my weapons also. So, I am going to pick to today. I believe that sometimes there are some traders, those who are having a mindset like expert level strategy is more useful as compared to a advanced or starter level. So, I just want to remove that stereotype mindset. So I will be using a basic level strategy, a starter level strategy. Name of the strategy is sliding on averages. I will be using that one, and I will try to explain that how exactly it works. So we will be talking about everything. So if I give a quick introduction about my strategy, so we are going to use SMA, simple moving average, with the frequency of 4 and 60. Whenever the lower frequency is going to intersect the higher one, that could be the direction of the market. Suggested time frame for this strategy is minimum 5 minute chart time frame and 2 to 3 candle. But in case if you want to pick it for a shorter time duration, I believe we can pick it for 1 minute chart time frame also. And the set of rule, let me give a quick brief about that also. So Modiji, we are going to take each trade for $20, and we have the liberty of using two RFTs only. We are not allowed to use more than that one. So guys, you can also focus on that how much capital we have. So this is my capital, which you can already observe. So Modiji, can you please share your screen also? Oh, just a
Yes,
minute.
sir.
Just give me a second. So it's already there. Let me share it. Perfect. So traders, you can also observe that how much balance Modi ji is having
Let's
and how much I
let's
am
wait for
having.
this. So either it will be go 625, or either the current situation which you are seeing right now.
Yeah. So all you just need to conclude that how much one of us is going to make, or whomsoever you are supporting, and whosoever will be making the correct guess or the nearest to the correct one will be getting a $10 RFT. We will be explaining also about the this part as well. But before that, Modi ji, if you want to give a quick tour about your strategy, so if you want to give an explanation about that.
Sure. So guys, as you already see the balances of ours, so this is the strategy basically. Expert status a strategy called triple rebound. Triple rebound basically a strategy which is belongs to the counter trend part. Now, some of us knows about the counter trend, some of us don't know about the counter trend. So, counter trend situation is basically when there is a correction in the market. There is an impulsive correction in the market, because we know that when the trading going up, when the trend going down, that is called basically the trend part. What is the counter trend part? Counter trend part is showing us a correction level. So after any impulsive situation, we are having a condition that we are getting some kind of correction in the market. That correction called counter trend. So RSI can provide us this situation that we can use for trading and know where the trade is going reverse, from up to down and down to up. We have the three RSI over there, as you can see, 7, 14, and 21. I'm so sorry. If you guys not having the expert status, then you can easily choose the. Okay, let me show you. Let me see. Show you. Okay, what we need to do? We need to go to the oscillator section, we click to the RSI 1, RSI 2, and RSI 3. The RSI by default it's setting with the 14. So what we need to do manually, you can change it. First RSI 7 and third RSI 21. The middle one should be the RSI 14 as well. So set, everything is fine. So yes, we will discuss about the RSI also, how to work with the RSI situation and all. And slowly we will have some battle also. So you need to, as Kunal has already mentioned, and you already have a link in description as well as the comment box. What you can do, you just need to click it and just tell us who will going to win. Yes, Kunal, over to you.
Perfect. So, guys, as Modi ji already gave some information about the RSI, so I want to give a quick overview about my strategy also. So, in this one, we are just going to focus on simple moving averages. When the lower frequency is going to intersect the higher one, that could be the direction of the market. Just to take some more precautions, I have also added one trend reversal technical tool on my strategy. So, this strategy can be used, considered as a customized. So, I have used stochastic. So, this is going to work similar to the RSI. We are going to focus on overbought zone, oversold zone. Whenever the market is going to breach any one of them, we will wait for the reversal and then we'll be taking the trade. So just stay connected. If still you have any doubt that how exactly this strategy works, nothing to worry, because we are going to show you some live examples that how exactly it works. And at the same time, irrespective of the asset, you can use these strategy. The set of rule is going to remain same for all the assets. So it's not like that, like on a specific asset, a different strategy will work, or that's how. So the set of rule is going to be remain same. So we will keep on shuffling our cards. We will keep on trying to grab some opportunity wherever we will be getting any signal. We will be taking that trade. We will be executing that as well. And in the meantime, I can see that there are some comments also in the comment section. So we will be taking care of that also. So let's start hunting. Modiji, I believe. Oh, so this is a trade I have opened previously. Okay. So we will keep on shuffling, and in case if we will be getting any signal, we will be trying to pick that one and we will use that signal to take a trade. Okay, so in this one there is nothing specific that we are supposed to use only on OTC composites or something like that. The set of rule is going to be remain same. Okay, so Modi ji, did you find anything so far, any signal?
Well, my starting is good as always.
Nice, nice. No, I believe that this year is going to be yours, so of course you are going to shine.
Actually, Modi is everywhere.
That is why. That is why
So guys, let's discuss about the strategy things, how to work with this strategy. Kunal, can you please allow me to share my screen?
Sure, 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 sure. Done.
Okay. So here it is, guys. RSI. As I mentioned, this is strategy about that. What is this strategy about? Like this is strategy based on the 3 RSI. 3 RSI means 7, 14, and 21. So basically what happened here, the 3 RSI means the 7 RSI is fastest one, 14 RSI is actually middle one, medium kind of scenario and trend it will showing. And the third RSI is going to be 21, which is the slowest one. So which is what? Okay. The upper one is 21, which is slowest. Middle one is 14, which is medium. And the fastest one is 7, slow, faster. So basically, if you can see over there, there is a three particular level, 70, 50, 30, 70, 50, 30, 70, 50, 30. What is the meaning of that? Basically, they all are showing us the overbought and oversold zone. How to understand? So when at least two of RSI are above the level 70, what is the two RSI? Basically, the two RSIs 7 and 14 is going to be above the level 17. Then we need to look at to the RSI 21. If the RSI 21 is just approaching to the level 70, means the upper level, that means we say the chart is already overbought. What is the chart? The chart which we place here, 30, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 2, whatever you choose. If this chart is overbought or oversold, then we look up into the trade. So in terms of now I show you my one profitable trade where I did open the trade with example. So as you can see, I opened this trade here on this candle. I took the graph time of 30 seconds. I took the trade of 1 minute. So here what we saw, this 14 and 7 RSI line is already above level 70. Means the chart is already overbought. But here, this level 21 level RSI line is just approaching the line. Level 70 means the, but it shouldn't be crossed. Remember this thing. It shouldn't be crossed. If it is going to be crossed, then I'll show you what will happen. So we should open the trade like this. This is the simple theory with this strategy. Also, this strategy, actually, as I work with this strategy works with the one signal, one trade theory. Either you need to open the trade above 70 or either you need to open the trade below 30. So this is the base of the strategy. However, slowly, me and Kunal, we both are going to teach you how to open the trade by using the strategy, what to do. One example I already gave you, that how to open the trade for the downtrend. Some more trades I will open. Till that time, Kunal will explain you about the sliding on average. So I also need to trade. Boss, pray for me. I want to be, I want to win this battle.
This is the best time, like when the another guest is talking about something, so I can focus on my strategy. I can focus on grabbing some opportunities to make some quick profit. This is something which I am used to. So traders, let me show my screen also. So far I have taken a few trades. So
That's why.
this
That's
one
why you allow me. That's why you allow me to talk too much here. Correct.
yeah, so see, so I have opened a few opportunities. Three trades back to back are positive. Like the third one is looking like that it will go positive. Let's see, let's have a quick look on that one. So why exactly I have applied the stochastic also. So this is the thing, like this is the catch. Let me share that with you, traders. So sometime whenever you are using a specific strategy, so if a specific technical tool is not making signal or if it is taking some time, so you can try to get the confirmation from the second one also or from the another. But you can consider one thing, that if one strategy is trend following, then the other technical tool should be a trend reversal one, counter trend one, so that it will be helping you in that way, that if the market is keep on moving in a specific direction, now until and unless these SMAs are not going to intersect each other again and they are going to make a signal, so at least I will be getting a confirmation from stochastic itself, even though my entry was quite late. So on the last moment, let me show you, my trade was negative, but the difference was not that much. So if I would have opened my opportunity at least a couple of seconds ago, the trade was looking positive. But no worries. These are the things like which we need to focus on. It's not always about taking the entry. It's always about taking the entry at the correct time. So sometimes
Exactly.
we are a bit early, sometimes we are a bit late, and that is the mindset you need to focus on. Some traders have a mindset that early we enter into the market, the more margin will be there and we will be making the profit. But traders understand one thing, in fixed time trading mode, doesn't matter whether your trade was positive with 1 point or 100 point, you are going to get the same profit. So why not to wait for the confirmation and then enter into the market? And some traders, they have a mindset that let's wait for the confirmation, and even after the confirmation they are not executing the trade. So at that time, what things are can make a difference? Now just suppose that you were supposed to open your position on at the bottom of this candle. After a couple of seconds, the market moved in the upward direction, you opened your position. Even though market was moving in the upward direction, but there was a sudden movement in the downward side, and market breached somewhere just this level. Now if you would have opened the opportunity on the correct moment, of course the profitable trade. But if you have waited a bit longer, again that was an incorrect entry. So you need to focus on that also. Not too early, not too late. It should be precise, and that should be like a, you need to hit on a bullseye. So the more profit you will be able to make. What do you want to say about this, Modi ji?
Well, I absolutely, you are saying absolutely everything is correct. Guys, remember one thing. What actually we are trying to do, we are trying to use our way to gain the profitability. Right now, what I'm doing, I just opened two trades, but my both trades were positive. See, if you some of one, if you are just watching the wrestling, so there is a player, John Cena. He's having a very good quote. I'm not interested in the wrestling too much. Whenever I'm just watching the movie and something, like I just took something from them. So there is a quote of John Cena: "If you want some, come get some." So if you want some profitable trade, you need to find it. It will not come directly to you as a gift, sir. Please open the trade on me. No. What I'm doing, we have assets over here. What you need to do, you need to go to any profitability section and click here to over 80%. then at least you will have a chance to get the profitability of minimum 80%. Then you need to find your trades, because usually what happened, what actually normally people are doing, normal traders are doing, they are focusing only on the one asset or only on the one time frame. And after some time, there is some excitement. We are getting some kind of profitability and we just open the trade and we are having some money and we feel like, okay, today is my day. I just wanted to become a billionaire today. However, the situation is going to be छन से जो टूटे कोई सपना ना. The excitement is just converted to the frustration and we lost everything. So why? You shouldn't open the trade every time. You need to look at the market. Is market is available for you or not? If it is available, then open the trade. Try other assets. Trust me, guys. In 1 week, I opened the trade within 27 assets in 1 week. Why? Because what I'm doing right now, if I didn't get signal, I will not going to open the trade. I would love to lost this battle instead of lost my money. This is the
So
key thing.
same with me. Same with me.
All right. So here is a signal, guys. Let's check what is here. So, okay, check it out. This 21 level RSI is just near to, and if I going to open the trade here, the candle is already half. Just look at it. The candle is already half. I open the trade now. Kunal told you about the entry point. What is the entry point? Usually, I shouldn't open the trade here. If I could open the trade, I could open the trade here when the candle start, or either I need to wait for the candle. Now I could open the trade. This is the correct entry point for the trading. Why? Because the 21 RSI line is approaching to the overbought zone, means level 70. So that's the key factor. Because usually what happened, we are opening the trades and we believe like as more it can go up, we will go. As more it can be go down, we will open the trade for downtrend. No, entry point should be solid. If you are using the 1 minute graph time, always choose first 10 second or maximum 20 second for opening the trade. Now check this out. If I could open this trade here on red candle, right now the cursor is, that is the entry point, and unnecessary my BP is not going to be shoot up because I opened the trade on the wrong side. This trade I open intentionally to show you, because this is the things usually trader did. And what happened? The result is, unfortunately, I didn't get loss, but this trade is going no profit, no loss because of the flat market protection. I hope you guys are already aware about the flat market protection. So entry point is very important. If I could open this trade here, that definitely the result was changed. But I did mistake. Market is very cruel, bro. Market is here for only two things. Either either it's taking money from you, or either it's giving money to you. So now it's your chance to understand the thing, that why you are here. You are here to give money to the market or take money to the market. But you need to find that place. All right.
Agree,
So
agree,
let me
agree.
try something more, Kunal.
Sure, sure, sure.
I know your strategy.
Now, like that was a very nice point, Modi ji, which you have talked about. So, market is having two sides only. Either they are going to give you some money or they are going to take some money. But there is one more thing which I am used to tell my traders, that market is blind. Market is not going to count you how much money you have taken it from the market and how much money you are going to pull in. So what exactly I'm used to give them example, that when you are making some profit, make max to max, but when you start making some losses, stop it then and there. Then nobody is going to give you a call or going to give you a reminder or give you a message that no, Kunal, today you have made a profit of $200, but you have lost only $20, so you have to trade for 180. So there is nothing like that, traders. So you need to focus on one thing. When you are making profits, make max to max, but when you start making your losses, stop it then and there. Because the only rule of trading, what exactly it says, you can make capital if you have capital. And having capital in your trading account, that always means whatever the amount you have in your trading account, try to use it for as long as you can. And the best way or best approach for that one, I believe, that is your money management and that is your risk management. If you are using that one, then of course you will be able to use your smallest capital also for the as long as it is possible. But if you are not able to focus on that one, I can give you something in return, irrespective of the capital you have, whether that is in thousands of dollars. If you do not have a good money management, if you do not have a good risk management, you're going to wipe it out. Like sooner or later, that is going to be wiped out. So, Modi ji, let me tell you my score also. So far I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. Out of 6 trades, 2 negative, 4 positive. I have already used my one RFT, so my one RFT is still there. So I will be trying to use it when I believe that there might be some volatility, because it's almost 7 o'clock. So US market is about to be there. So volatility is expected. So that is the reason that I have taken one precaution, but I will try to explore a few more cars, a few more assets. And it's not like that I'm only trying to focus on the composites or on the metal. So whichever the asset I am finding the signal, and this is something which I believe that everyone should follow. Rather than staying stuck on a specific asset, you should keep on exploring, because sometimes when the signal is not there, so we just take some trades out of random guesses. So rather than taking those trades, I'll suggest you can keep on switching assets rather than sticking to one. And wherever you will be finding any signal, or you think that there can be a signal sooner or later, you can stay stick there. And once the signal will be there, you can execute the trade. Because as Modi ji already said, it's always better to lose a battle, or to avoid taking that trade rather than losing money. I know some traders
See,
might be saying that, sir, if I would have taken a trade on that signal, that trade was there was a possibility to go positive. That is completely understood. Now understand, guys, one thing. If the trade is positive, n numbers of windows will be there, n numbers of ways will be there, doors will be open that you can do. Like, I took $100 trade went positive, I made 190 total. Now I can make a withdrawal, I can use risk management, money management, anything can be done. But what if trade will go? And that situation can create some mental pressure, or that can lead to some negative results, to revenge trading, to over trading. So rather than taking that specific trade, I'll suggest avoid it. There will be n number of opportunities available in the coming session, in the coming moment, but that will be only available to you if you have capital. And sorry, we missed one thing. So traders, there are a couple of points which you need to focus on. First one, it's a financial market, so there is a possibility of partial or fully capital loss. So make sure you learn it properly, then start making investment. Second thing, all the trades, whether it's me or Hemaji, whatever we are taking, everything is depending on our skill set. We are the one, those who are responsible for that one. Third thing, there is going to be a telecast gap. Even though there is a live communication we are having with you, it's a live contest which we are conducting, but there is a telecast gap which lies between 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade me or Modi ji is going to open in front of you, that will be visible to you after a couple of seconds. So please avoid doing copy trading. Just focus on learning the mindset, focus on learning the strategies, because this session is hardly active for next 30-33 minutes, but you have to trade after that also. So make sure you take care of that one. Please avoid doing some copy trading. And as Modi ji is taking some trades, so let me take a few comments also. So many welcome and hello and greetings from the trader sides to me, and from to Modi ji and Muhammad Indaji. I am good. What about you? And there are some questions I believe traders are having. Okay, so we have some viewers, Modi ji from Telangana also.
Arey,
Nice,
sir,
nice.
most welcome.
Okay, Santosh ji, I have already pasted the link in the chat section, or that is also in the description section, so you can pick it from there. And sir, मैं deposit ऑप्शन दिया है, उस पर करने से होता है, स्कैनर पर कैसे करें? Kiamuddin ji, I'm not getting your comment. What exactly you are stating, that which difficulty you are facing while making a deposit? Can you just repeat it again? And let me share the link again. I believe there are some traders, those who are not able to open it. Guys, just give me a moment. So I have shared it again. Okay, I have one doubt. Please clarify how we are pay the tax on. Okay, so sir, for that one, your CA will be the best one who will be guiding you that how you can pay the tax, or if you want to show it in your taxability. From our side, like, there is nothing which is deducted from our end, so that is going to be completely depending on you. The best which I'll suggest, again, just connect with your CA. They will be guiding you with that one. Sanjay ji, I am good. Modi ji is also doing fine. I hope you are also fine, and happy new year to everyone also. Uh, Chaudhary ji, I have shared it again. Please check if you are able to. open the link. Just give me a second. Let me share it once again. So I have already pasted as well. Just a moment. Okay. Here we go. So I have sent it multiple times, so you can pick any one of them or just copy the link and paste it in your browser. So you can copy it from the description side. Okay. Uh, hello, Modi ji is going to. So Modi ji, we have a few of your fans, so they are saying that you are going to win today.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, guys. And I also see one comment over there. Love from Lepar, love from the Olymptrade side, sir. Thank you so much for coming. And we believe that your love and blessings will always, we are keeping more and more, more and more. We are getting it. So, guys, the Kunal has already said many things to you. I would like to share something like about the money management and risk management. There is a very small gap in between the patience level and the money management system, because whenever we are having some emotions, higher emotions on our mind, what happened, we are just breaking the things. Doesn't matter it's trading or something else, whatever the thing, but importantly, this is true. How to control the things? First of all, remember one thing: whenever you are going to open the trade, please first of all set your mind that you are doing trading. This is not a gambling, this is not a betting side or like this something. No, absolutely not. This is pure trading. You are here to do trading. And remember one thing: those from India, I would like to request you, even those from Urdu belt, I would like to request you, kindly go to the Google translation and write trading in English and see the result. In Hindi, it's called Vyapar, and in Urdu, it's called Dhanda. Both are similar actually. Vyapar means business. This is your own business. What happened? Then why we are having some losses? Because we are expecting too much. You know, if someone here, I think those who are listening and those are salaried person, I'm giving you one better example and bitter example. Better and bitter. Trust me. What is that? We are getting the salary after 1 month, and which is around 50,000 rupees per month, and we are happy with that. Why? Because that is the money which we are getting with our efforts after 1 month. But the same amount if we are getting in a 15 days from Olam trade, we feel like this is nothing. Seriously. Seriously. Even many of you are getting 100%, 200%, 500% profitability from here. But that is, we feel like it's very narrow, it's very small. Guys, just calculate according to your balance. The balance which you put. If I'm putting 1,000 rupees and if I'm making 15,000 rupees from the 1,000 rupees, it seems like the 15,000 rupees is what? But compare about the percentage. And any one of you, if you are having any of the scheme which is separated around the world, any scheme can provide 20% return yearly, then let me know. Here you are getting 100% to 1,000% to 2,000%. Many of you are getting the higher money, but we are not taking it seriously. Please remember, this is trading, absolutely trading. Do not think that this is kind of, do not use it like betting or so. For this, what you need learning. There is a proper learning conditions for this. I am expending around 15 years of my life for learn the trading. And here also, I did, and me and Kunal, we both are just teaching you how, because we learn. Even it's not means that we are the masters of the trading. No, there is no master of this trading scenario. There is no master. So please, first of all, control your emotions. After 2, 3 trades, do not fight with the asset. Usually, what happened whenever we are making trades with the one asset, we are just fighting with that asset, and you took my money, I will going to take with you back. No, don't do this. Always, we are having many assets. Change the assets. Go with the trend. Check whether it's trend in the market or not. Whether his market activity is good or not. If not, then don't open the trade. What is the need to waste your money? And patience. See, there is a one big example I am going to tell you. Usually, I am asking with this the trader. We are here to for what, Kunal? We are here for money.
Of course,
How much?
that is the thing which every trader is not sure about.
We are here to get money. How much?
Too
Don't
much, very
know.
much. That's it.
Too much, very much, magar much, whatever the much. But we don't know.
That is the
The
thing. That
same
is
pattern, the same pattern we are following for the losses as well. If we are going to lose the money, how much? Whatever I
there could
have.
be.
So always focus, goal, and target. You have to set daily targets in your trading for profitability and even the loss also. I'm giving you one best example. Whatever the amount you have, let's suppose you have $1,000 in your account, set your goal for 20% profitability and 10% loss per day, and you will see the result. Okay, if I'm getting 20% profitability, I can close my trade. But for this, you need to trade. Think big. This is not a rocket science that I just everything is coming. No. And patience. Whenever you are having any kind of emotions like greed, excitement, frustration, any kind of, you knows better. You, yeah, right now I'm in the condition like I'm feeling like I can just break this screen. Okay, don't break the screen. Chill, drink water, coconut water, cold drink, juice, not that kind of things. This kind of things which can make you calm, and stop the trading for some time, for some break, take some break. Why? Because at that moment we have the cloud of the emotion over our head. Don't make this trading as a bad habit. This is your good habit. We are here to get some 20-30% extra income, kind of passive income.
True.
Focus and trade. If you wanted to make it active income, you can make it. You can. But for this, you need to learn. And last but not the least, guys, if you want to earn, you need to learn. And this theory is applicable for all things. If a person wanted to become an engineer, he need to he need to study for the engineering. If a person wanted to become a doctor, he need to learn for the doctor. He should go to the medical college. There is no one who can just make a bridge by using a YouTube, or there is no person who can just do operation by checking the YouTube. That is called, we are in India the Bengali doctors. No offense, but kind of the Jola chap things. No, if a doctor wanted to become doctor, he need to go through according to the channel. So you also do the same things. You need to learn the trading, and we are here to help you to learn the trading, guys. Follow us as much as you can, and every week we are here, either me and Kunal or either some other person, all the financial analysts, those are helping you. So learn the things and then do practice accordingly. Practices means you should not open the trade only in the demo account. Why? Because demo is also related to our mind. Because there is no loss, no profit. If we are losing the money, we are not, lose anything. If we are getting the money, we are not getting anything. Whenever we are going to open the trade on the live account, if we lose even $1, we feel very sad. So try to open the trades by using the strategies, smaller trades, and then just hide the amount using the martingale system. And once you become a better, once you are able to make a better accuracy, then go for it. Just press the accelerator and boom. I'm tired. Too much time.
But thank
Too
you
much.
so much, Modi. So when you were talking about that one, so I made almost three profits.
As I mentioned that my start's always good. After
My
four
ending is
successful
always
trade, my after four successful trade, I have three
good.
lost,
Okay, so
unfortunately.
so far
And
I
you,
had so many, I executed so many trades, and only two trades were negative. Rest everything was streamlined. So as Modi ji was talking about the patience, so traders, I will not be repeating the every all the conversation, but I just want to conclude it in a nutshell. There is a very thin line difference between a trader and a successful trader, and that line can be crossed when you have a perfect money management and risk management, or in a short form, if you have a settled or a calm trading psychology. And that thing you have to learn it, either you are going to learn it today, tomorrow, day after 6 months, after 2 years, after 5 years, whatever the time frame, you have to take care of that thing. And this is something which I can give in the written form. If your money management is not good, if you are not able to use your capital in a productive way, I'm so sorry to say, but it is very hard to make capital from the trading. So that thing, that because when I started my trading journey, Modi ji, you might be also remembering that when I started my trading journey, so I was used to do so much over trading. And then one day you are the one who told me that, Kunal, if you want to do it in a proper way, otherwise leave it. And then you taught me about the risk management, money management. And I still remember, it's been almost 7.5 years, that from that time onward, from that six after those 6 months, I have started following those things. And I'm not going to say that every day I was in profit, but I can say one thing, that I have grown my I have tried to grow my capital, and I was successful up to an extent. So this is something which I have learned in my first 6 months. So the more early you will be able to grab it, that whether how to use the capital, that would be the best advice which I want to give you. And there are a few comments I want to take. So Baljit ji is saying that please try to conduct this session in Hindi. So Baljit ji, we are conducting these sessions on Tuesday and Thursday in Hindi, Monday, Wednesday, Friday in English. So whosoever is new on the channel, I request you, please subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live, you will be able to explore it. And we have a playlist section also, so you can explore the language you are comfortable with, because on this channel we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages. So whichever you feel comfortable, you can explore that one. And let me take a few more comments. So Mr. Hussain is saying, why withdrawal is late? So sir, the standard time frame for a withdrawal is 24 hours to 5 working days. So I request you, please wait for some time. Majority of the withdrawals are processed within 24 hours, but still, if anything is taking time, just stay calm. Once team will be working on that one, it will be done. Form, I have shared it again, so it's already there. Please share any contact number with you, Ji. If you're on expert level, just go to the help section. You will be finding the contact number for this support team. And guys, ask them why. Ravi Chaudhary, I have shared the link again. Just try it again. If still it is not working, just let me know. And if anything is regarding to deposit withdrawal verification, traders, I request you to connect with the support team, support-en@olymptrade.com. You can connect with them. Okay, so God Kriyan, binary anything manipulation. So, Mr. God Kriyan, I want to tell you one thing. It's not a binary platform. It's a trading platform. So in binary, all you are just making some assumption that this could happen, that happened the last time. So this that could be the repetitive. But on our platform, you can try to observe all the technical or the fundamental. You can follow everything, and you will find these exact moments also. So this is not a binary platform, until and unless you are just going to focus on last 3 candles were green, next can be green, last red candle was there, next can be red. So that is not something trading. So you need to focus on, you need to differentiate it. Okay, so Hina Vishwakarma ji, today we are trading only with the $20, because that is the amount which we are going to use on. And Ravi Chaudhary saying, focus on one asset is better. We know the nature of that one. I'm completely agree with that, Ravi. But one thing, if the profitability is not that high? What if there is some data?
I would like to say something about this.
Please, please,
So
please.
Raviji, you said that one asset or one strategy or anything which is one is better than. I'm just asking one question to you, sir. Are you able to drive your car or ride your bike on single gear? If yes, then you can do here also. If no, then you can change it. One, not possible, sir. Absolutely not possible. Because you know what? Maximum, Kunal, can you please provide me give me the permission to share my screen or share my screen? I'll just, there is a one good thing which I just wanted to share with the traders. Okay, so you can see my screen, guys, right now. There is a three type of trends I would like to share with you because it's very important thing for you. A trend, if a particular asset just going down from the particular way, that is called the downtrend. And the same way, there is a asset price going from a particular area. Why I'm using the particular? Because there is a levels, support levels and resistance level and trending levels. If it is going from upper trend, that is called the uptrend. There is a one more way which can useful for trading, and that is called sideway. Sorry. So up down, which is when we see the trend is just moving towards to the particular support and level area, and we are able to open the trade. That is called the sideway trading. But there is a one issue. This asset, this which right now I'm showing you, that is called the trend of uncertainty. This is also another trend. and maximum of you guys getting the unsuccessful trade on these assets. Please comment yes or no. I would like to hear from your side. Most of you are getting the unsuccessful trade on this kind of assets, this kind of trend. I'm so sorry. When you are getting, there is no trend on the asset, only one green, one red, one green, one red, one green, one red. That's it. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? Please let me know yes or no. So if I'm going to choose one asset, if I very much like to use Mahajantar index, and in case of the situation, the Mahajantar index not having any kind of trend, but I wanted to trade in Mahajantar index because I very much love Mahajantar index, and I'm starting my trade and I'm getting losses and losses and losses and losses. Then what will be happen? Usually people start doing this, and what happened at the last moment, they have whatever the balance in your account. In the frustration, they put the money and they open the trade, and then we believe after the losing that money, we feel, yeah, if I could stop myself for that time, the result will be changed. Result could be changed. So that's the reason why we are saying do not open the trade only on one asset. Do we have some comments of yes or no, Kunal?
So far, nothing. But
Finally,
this is
finally, two
I'm
trades.
totally agree with you, Modi ji, because this is something that most of the traders they are doing, that they stick to one specific asset. And I have seen some traders, so what they are saying that, sir, on this asset my technical was not working properly. I am not having a good hold on that specific asset, but still I was trading on that one. The reason behind, because that was giving me the maximum profit, or
Mhm.
like that was giving me 93% of that one. So I am always suggesting traders, see, rather than focusing on the maximum profit, I'll suggest pick something with high profit. Like what exactly I'm trying to say, if I'll talk about me, I'm not always focusing on 93% asset. I'm focusing on all assets, those who are having profitability 80 or more than 80%.
I have one more example for this. Guys, understand, Kunal is providing very informative information to you. What is that? So, if usually what we are doing, usually we are just opening the trade with the higher profitability assets. I'm not saying we shouldn't do. We can do. But again, I'm repeating, the most important thing is trend. If I open 10 trades with the high profitability asset or one asset or two asset, which is supposed right now the composite index, a compound index and crypto composite index, and I'm getting uh, 8 trades, 8 unsuccessful trade out of 10, but we are still choosing that and we are losing the money because we are just fighting with that, or we feel like this is our comfort zone, or we are very comfort, comfortable with that situation. Another hand, if you are choosing any asset which is belongs to 80, 82, 85, or 87%, and there you are getting 7 trades positive out of 10, 6 8 trades out of 10, so what will be the better condition? Because they have the trend right now. So what will be the better condition? 7 unsuccessful or 8 unsuccessful trade, or the same on the other hand, 6, 7, or 8 successful trade? How? If you are not going to check the asset, how you will know how the asset is working? What is the trend situation? What is the level situation from how it's going up and how it's going down? So that's why to not focus. What is our comfort zone? What is our comfortability? Basically, whenever I'm asking the question to the traders, sir, why you are only using this asset or this particular time frame for trading? They, there is a common answer, Kunal. They said, I believe and I feel that I am very familiar or comfortable with that. Guys, remember, in this platform, we have only one comfortability and one, situation to be familiar with, that is only profit. Only profit. On another hand, you are not able to get profit every time. So sometimes if you are getting unsuccessful trades, or even if you are getting unsuccessful trade, accept it, because this is trading. You will have a chance to get some profitability, and you will have a chance to get some losses as well. So accept that. If you are going to accept your losses, you will able to make a recovery and profitable trades as well.
Exactly. This is something perfect. So let me try to take a couple of more comments, Modi ji, because we are already having some shortage of timing. So a few more comments are there. So like, is it legal in India or not? So Charan Kumar ji, we are in India from last 11 years. Like in this September, we celebrated our last like 11th anniversary. So
I'm sorry to interrupt you, Kunal. 11 successful years.
sorry. Yeah. So I hope you got the answer. Like if everything is streamlined, that is the reason that we are working in India. So you can. Sir, I'm so sorry, sir. We are not having any group, but you can subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so you will be able to connect in further sessions also. Moin Khanji, whenever you are making some losses or something, just make sure in the comments, make sure you tell a bit more information that I'm using this strategy or this is the reason, so that we will be able to directly give you information about that one. I'm sad to know that you are making some losses, but try to work on your technical part. I'm sure that slowly and gradually, it will take some time, but slowly and gradually you will start making some, improvements. Sir, 30 second. Lit hai candle, see sir, that is completely depending on technical to technical, that which technical you are using, and on the basis of that one, as Modi ji is using a 30-second chart time frame, I am using a 1 minute chart time frame. All you just need to focus on that, which one is working for you and how you can make a profit. Okay sir, I deposited 400, reached $1,200, very nice, within three after three. Sir, see, Shivaji, if you have made the profit and still your profit is there, just stay calm. Do not, get excited that you are going to make it more, or do not lose it at least while doing over trading. If you will make some losses, just stop it then and there. At least try to hold your capital and at least 40 to 50% profit of that one. In case if you think that I am going to wipe out everything, at least make a withdrawal if you have a habit of over trading or something, because this is something I want to suggest you. It's not hard to make capital, but it is very hard to hold the capital, so try to learn about that as well. See again, one more comment, Modi ji, as we have already said, do not stick to one specific asset. So you made some losses on Asia Composite, so that is the reason we are always suggesting try to explore different. If I make
नहीं
50
नहीं नहीं इनको
ticket
कर लेने
deposit,
दो, इनको कर लेने दो.
does it give withdrawal? Of course, green stick strategy, that doesn't matter that how much deposit you are going to make or how much withdrawal you are going to make. You can make it, that is completely fine. Ravi Chaudhary ji, we have to take care of these comments also, so that is the reason. Nice to see that you made some profits. Focus on trades, sir. I am okay. So majority of comments we have taken. Okay, and so let me give that information again. So every Monday, Wednesday, Friday in English, Tuesday, Thursday in Hindi, Monday, Wednesday, Friday English sessions are from 6:30 to 7:30 Indian Standard Time. So if you are joining from some another time zone, so you can calculate it as per that. And in Hindi we are conducting sessions on the same channel 4 to 5 p.m. And let me conclude today's session. So whosoever will be getting the RFT, let me just give some information about that as well. So before concluding that, Modi ji, just want to know your score, like how much profit you have made today.
I gave you the trophy, bro.
So should I consider myself as a winner?
You are the winner. You are the
See,
winner.
so sweet of you. So traders, you can let me show you my screen and let's calculate. So I have made 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 trades, and out of 9, 7 trades were positive. So if we'll make a quick calculation of that one, almost on a round figure, I have made a profit of $18. Just a moment. So I have made a profit of somewhere around 126 and I have lost $40. So all in all, my P&L is positive by somewhere around $86. So let's see which trader or which comment was indicating the similar one. Okay. So I have made a profit of 86 and there is one trader who make the calculation of 85. So I believe this is the clear
Wow,
cut winner.
congratulations.
Yeah, so my congratulations to the trader. So the trader ID is 126018581. I'm repeating it again. It's 126018581. My congratulations to you. I'll make sure that you will be getting your $10 risk-free trade as soon as possible. And if you're still available in this session, I request you please confirm me your name in the comment section so I can give you a shout out. And me and Hemaji, both of us, we can congratulate you and also confirm me if the trader ID is correct. So if you are still available, I request you, please confirm me because we are still available for next 2.5 minutes. So Modi ji, before we will conclude today's session, before we wind up, so any last message to the traders for the day?
Just I want to tell you guys, focus, keep calm, control your emotions, and remember this is trading, and focus on learning as well. If you are going to do this, definitely you will have a chance to get more success and better things. How much you earn, Kunal, by the way?
So almost 85.
Well, mine is 102.
But I have already concluded. But I have taken a few lesser trades also. How many trades you take?
Hi, well, mine. See, guys, basically, the battle is not like we are just trying to. This is a friendly battle, na? I win, Kunal win, you win, majority. Basically, the trading should be win. The winner is trading. So I opened Kunal, by the way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 trades.
Okay.
And
So
1,
out
2,
of 12.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. So as per 7 trades, you have made 102, right?
Yup.
Okay. So as per my profitable trades, then I have made 126. So I have deducted the
All
loss.
right.
So still
No,
I
I
am
did
winning.
not. I didn't deduct. I didn't deduct the losses. I already told you, bro. You are the winner.
So sweet of you. So
One
traders.
person is asking where is the okay, okay. Let's take some comment. Actually, I'm getting some comments. Okay, over here, though okay, it has been 4 years on trade, and I still manipulating mostly at the last second of the trade. Sir, thank you so much for being here from last 4 years, and it is still manipulating. See, your first line is not matching with your second line. Well, first of all, we are from the Olymptrade, and obviously, we will say, I would like to tell you guys, please go and search what is Olymptrade. Trust me, go and search what is Olymptrade. I'll send you the link as well, and if you want, you can I can show you on my screen as well about Olymptrade. This is Olymptrade, sir. How much withdrawals we are having, how many awards we won, how many deposit, how many transaction situations we are getting. You can check each and everything over there. And if Olam trade is manipulating everything in last second, then how I can be there for last 4 hours, 4 years? I'm so sorry. There is one problem, sir. I'm so sorry. I'm not teasing you or I'm not blaming you or anything. Please accept my apology. Anything. You know what? There is a human nature, guys. If anything is going good, this is I do. If anything is going wrong, you did. I am not did anything. I am the best. So if you are going to fight with your ego, and if your ego won, the result is this. And if you are fighting with your ego, and if you won, and you are allow yourself to, do something extraordinary, do something change in your society, in your life, in your trading, then we will find the result of change. Sir, nobody is going to, there is very limited peoples in the world who actually did some different because they all are very humble. They fight with their ego. And now suddenly the new generation, which we said, Gen Z and our generation, they are having kind of, they're in the blood kit, they want to do something different. So there is situation about learning. The situation is like this, that I did the proper exam. The teacher is bad. He make me fail. Or the syllabus is bad. I'm just going to read this and they change the all scenarios. It's not
The
working like
question
this.
paper was out of syllabus.
Yeah, but the syllabus came from what? The book.
Of course.
So try to read whole book instead of one chapter. That's it,
True, true.
guys, from my
See,
side.
guys, I just want to conclude it. Like, I completely understand that you are, if you are facing some negative results, but sometime we have to focus on our skill set also. We can't blame, other people for everything. So this is something that is a reason that we are always stating that keep learning, keep earning. Why we are not saying keep earning, keep learning? Because you have to learn first. I'm not going to tell you that, not going to say that you do not know how to trade or this is the way that how you should opt. But whenever you are facing some difficulties, try to explore that why exactly that happened. If my trade is going negative at the last second, there is a possibility that I have executed it earlier or a bit late. So you need to focus on. We will try to conclude. We will try to talk about these conversation in the coming session also, because we are about to wind up. So thank you so much, Modi ji. Thank you so much for joining, sparing some time, and I wish you a very happy New Year to you and your family also, and the same to all the traders. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for sparing time, and keep supporting us. Make sure you subscribe the channel, so whenever we will be coming live, we will be able to connect again. So thank you so much. This was your host, your
Happy New Year,
financial
guys.
Kunal Kapoor and Hemant Modi. Thank you so much. Take care.